and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in to a brand new episode of The Breaking Ground. I'm Deepti Sachdeva. It's Goli versus Patthar, but I'm wondering, why is Akhilesh Yadav so scared? Why is he sounding nervous? Akhilesh Yadav says that there has been an attempt to buy votes, there has been an attempt to ensure that our voter, and this is not me saying this, but Akhilesh Yadav saying this, quote unquote Musalman. He says Musalman voters को बाहर आने नहीं दिया है प्रशासन ने. This is just, a day after you have the bypolls in the state of Uttar Pradesh. These were bypolls that Akhilesh and his team, that is Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, the entire India Alliance was, actually preparing for months and months and months in advance. Because ever since what happened in the Lok Sabha election, and you saw the SP, bettering its tally, ensuring that the BJP comes down, Akhilesh said, wait and watch. We are winning these elections. So with that kind of a confidence, why is Akhilesh Yadav putting out sliced, diced and edited videos? It's a question not, that has been asked by just us. A lot of you on the social media have pointed this out. Even the cops in Uttar Pradesh today have a reason to worry. Because they say that there is already a lot of fake news, there is a lot of propaganda. But then why has this entire conversation today come down to a Goli versus Patthar? Akhilesh Yadav sees the Goli, he does not see the Patthar. What explains this? Let's quickly open this up. I want you to listen in first up to our top 5 questions before we open this up to our panel of guests, because like they say, dal mein kuch to kala hai. Now, is Akhilesh Yadav sounding nervous just hours before counting to the all-important Uttar Pradesh bypolls? Akhilesh Yadav, you would recall, has been saying कि बाबा जी इसके बाद निकाल दिए जाएंगे, वो उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे. But then, if there is a confidence, why is he today sounding nervous? Why is his own uncle today saying that declare these elections null and void? We have zero confidence. This brings us to our second question. Is Yogi and Modi's Batenge to Katenge something that has literally won over Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh's quote-unquote minority first? Remember how there are charges that both Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi are fighting for the minorities? The same minorities that they speak about, the same minorities they want a quota for, the same minority they want a reservation for. The same minority they allege is not allowed to go out and vote is a charge. Now, did the Uttar Pradesh cops, and listen into this because this is very important, there is this video doing the rounds, and Akhilesh Yadav has said this in the middle of the Uttar Pradesh bypolls just about yesterday. He said that the UP cops are threatening the Muslim voters in Mirapur. Akhilesh Yadav has made that charge. Is that true? What is the truth behind this? We'll find that out. We'll uncover that. We'll get you that video also. This brings us to our next question now that's going to go up on your screens. Is Akhilesh Yadav, ladies and gentlemen, guilty of posting a 28-second edited video? Now, he does this on his social media. This is a video of 28 seconds instead of the full video. Now, what is the duration of the full video? It is a little over 1 minute. It's 1 minute 48 seconds. So, Akhilesh Yadav and his team takes out a 28-second clip out of this full 1 minute 48 seconds. And this full video also shows you the Patthar and the Banduk together. But Akhilesh Yadav only wanted you to see the Banduk. So what is the charge? And is Akhilesh guilty then of this fake news? This brings us to our next question now that's going to go up on your screens. Fake news, propaganda, calling for cancellation of the bypolls. Like I said, Ram Gopal, who's uncle of Akhilesh Yadav, has actually said this, कि इनको null कर दीजिए, इनको निरस्त कर दीजिए in elections. He says central forces के साथ दोबारा चुनाव कराइए. So if you're so confident, why would you call for this? Is this how Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, the entire India Alliance is going to save the Samvidhan? Remember the empty book that Rahul Gandhi has been holding? So what is the charge? Will you be using fake news to spread propaganda and allege that minorities are not being allowed to vote? We will ask that question to a panel of guests joining us. Let me quickly say good evening to Anila Singh, who represents the BJP on the show. Rashmi Sawant is a noted activist. We also have Dr. Nikul Patel, who represents the Congress, and Pooja Mishra ji is the national spokesperson of the SP. Pooja ji, आपसे ही शुरुआत करते हैं. अब कुछ तो वजह रही होगी ना कि आपको सिर्फ बंदूक नजर आती है, पत्थर नजर नहीं आया।
दीप्ति जी, कुछ तो वजह रही होगी कि जो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने 7 पुलिस कर्मियों को सस्पेंड कर दिया।
नहीं, वो किया, अच्छी बात है ना। आप तो कहती है इलेक्शन कमीशन एक्शन नहीं लेता, तो अच्छी बात है इलेक्शन कमीशन ने एक्शन लिया। नहीं 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 पूजा जी देखिए, एक्शन पे बाद में आऊंगी, पहले चार्ज पे तो आइए ना। क्या आप ये लोग मानते हैं कि आपने सिर्फ 28 सेकंड का वो जो वीडियो दिखाया वो आधा अधूरा सच है? क्या आप ये मानते हैं?
No, Dipti, you can see the policeman was threatening the women. उनके पास में कहाँ पे पत्थर था, वो कह रहे हैं उनको वोट डालने जाना है, and that was the responsibility of police. पुलिस को उनको बोलना चाहिए था कि आप डरिए नहीं, जो भी पत्थर कर रहे हैं उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई करें, आपके ऊपर कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे, आप जाकर के वोट डालिए। He could have said that. State of threatening.
तो ये पत्थर कौन, पूजा ये पत्थर कौन मार रहा था?
Whoever was just throwing this stones, they were culprits. उनको ऊपर एक्शन करिए। ये फीमेल्स आपको भी दिख रही है।
ये वाला वीडियो अखिलेश यादव ने कहीं डाला है क्या? क्योंकि मुझे नजर नहीं आया। हमने अखिलेश यादव की टाइमलाइन चेक की, समाजवादी पार्टी की टाइमलाइन चेक की, मुझे कहीं ये वीडियो नजर नहीं आया।
नो, अखिलेश यादव जी कंटिन्यूअसली जो है सारे वीडियोस पोस्ट किए। अगर आप चाहो तो मैं अभी भी आपको दिखा सकती हूँ।
आप बिल्कुल दिखाइएगा, 28 सेकंड नहीं, पूरा वीडियो जिसमें आपको नजर आता है कि एक छत पर कुछ महिलाएं हैं, वो पत्थर फेंक रही हैं। उसके बाद ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो आता है जहां पर आपको नजर आता है कि एक पुलिस वाले आते हैं और वो कोशिश करते हैं कि ये मामला आगे ना बढ़े और इसीलिए उसको शांत करने की कोशिश हो रही है ना। ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन।
So this way they were saying that we just Dipti ji, they are saying that we want to cast our vote, and this way police gonna handle them. You could have said, "We just calm down. If you want to cast the vote, we are here to support you, not to threaten you." He could have said that. That was his responsibility. Instead of showing them the gun, he could have said that. The women were holding.
So your problem,
were not holding the stones.
Nicole, okay, and I'm just requesting our team to put out also images now of that particular video that Akhilesh Yadav perhaps forgot to put, because there on the terrace, that is the video that we are now also playing out on our screens. Pooja, Nicole, ध्यान से देखिएगा, because in a corner, you will see there on the top of a house. So you will see women. You will see women and other people wanting to throw stones at the cops. So my question only is, Pooja and Nicole, कि why hide the truth? जो है सब कुछ दिखाइए ना। वोटर स्मार्ट है। अगर पूजा आपको लगता है कि आप वोटर को आधा अधूरा सच दिखाएंगी और उसके बाद वो आपकी बातों में आ जाएगा, या भाजपा आधा अधूरा सच दिखाएगी उनकी बातों में आ जाएगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है। ये लोकसभा इलेक्शन में भी प्रूव हो गया है ना। निकोल
एग्री विद दिस स्टेटमेंट।
यस, तो माफी मांगेंगी पूजा, माफी मांगेंगी आप? अखिलेश यादव माफी मांगेंगे कि उन्होंने आधा अधूरा सच दिखाया?
No, Akhilesh Yadav ji has tweeted the video where police was threatening the voters.
Yes, he's done that. But did he also tweet the video where you can see what the instigation was? ऐसा वीडियो ट्वीट किया है क्या उन्होंने?
अगर जो है कि महिलाएं जो पत्थर लेकर के नहीं आ रही हैं, आप उनको थ्रेटन करोगे, ये तो
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं पूजा, पूजा बिल्कुल नहीं
समझाइए। जो
नहीं पूजा, देखिए आप बातों को मिक्स कर रही है। नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं पूजा, आप देखिए, आप क्योंकि नेता है, आप नेता है, मैं जर्नलिस्ट हूँ, तो मैं आपसे भी सवाल पूछूंगी, अनिला से भी पूछूंगी, लेकिन मैंने आपसे सीधा क्वेश्चन पूछा कि अगर आपको बंदूक नजर आती है, बंदूक पे सवाल करिएगा, लेकिन पत्थर को क्यों भूल जाती है आप? पत्थर भी तो दिखाएंगी ना।
नहीं भूलते हैं हम नहीं भूलते हैं।
हाँ,
हमने पत्थर भी दिखाया, जहाँ पे पुलिस भी पत्थर लेकर के,
पुलिस पत्थर लेकर खड़ी है और पुलिस के पास बंदूक है। निकुल, क्या आपको ये लोग नजर आते हैं जो छत पर है एंड दे आर वांटिंग टू थ्रो स्टोन्स एट द पुलिस? देयर इज अ स्टोन पेल्टिंग गोइंग ऑन। निकुल, विल यू सपोर्ट अखिलेश यादव? दिस इज योर संविधान बचाओ।
See, anyone who wants to disrupt the law and order, suppose someone is throwing pelting stone, is not good, and the law enforcement and law people means police has to take care of maintaining law and order. We appreciate.
So isn't that what the police was doing?
Secondly, people of Uttar Pradesh knows very well what they are doing and what they are voting for, and in Lok Sabha we have rightly seen how Bharatiya Janata Party was removed from that 80 seats and majority was given to the India coalition. So I would say that definitely, if the law enforcement or law people has to make law and order, even they have to take care if somebody is going to vote out, then they must take them to the booth. That is also their responsibility. So in
No,
both the ways,
one second. You will have to be a little bit more direct, Nikul.
You see both
No,
the sides.
let's be very honest. Let's be very honest.
Only one side of the.
No, Nikul, exactly the problem right now with both the SP and the Congress. I have shown you both sides. I have shown you the patthar, I have shown you the bandook. How is the patthar okay, the bandook not okay, and vice versa?
It's the responsibility of the police to take the voter to the booth.
I agree. But what is the responsibility of Akhilesh Yadav? To at least tweet
responsibility, and nobody is allowed to disturb law and order into the state or anywhere where the election is going on. And it's the responsibility of election commission to take a call. And if election commission is taking some call, then we have to accept it, appreciate it, and every political party has a due right to put his voice to the election commission.
No, absolutely. With all due diligence, you must do that. You must bring all discrepancies to the notice of the election commission. Before I get both Anila and Rashmi to come in here, Nikul, I want this to be absolutely clear by the Congress. Is the Congress supporting this, half-truth, this peddled narrative by Akhilesh Yadav?
What is half-truth? It is your
Haven't you figured out what is the half-truth yet?
It is half-truth. It is half-truth. That is your perception and you are representing it.
Can you show me where has Akhilesh Yadav put out the video where you can see the patthar and the bandook?
See, again, I am telling those who are pelting stones should not be allowed to do that, and that is a law.
That is not the answer. That is not the answer. That is not the answer, Nikul. You also know this. But Anila, comment on this. The problem is that Akhilesh Yadav says that, okay, even if you're alleging that he has put out an edited video, Anila, they are saying the larger charge that the SP is making today कि आप मुसलमानों को जो समाजवादी पार्टी के वोटर हैं, अखिलेश यादव खुलकर कहते हैं जो SP के वोटर हैं जो मुसलमान हैं उनको आप डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. As in प्रशासन, you don't want them to go out and vote, Anila.
Hi, Ram to all. And this is the real face of Samajwadi Party, and especially if I talk about Mr. Akhilesh Yadav. They twist the truth. And then they want to present it in front of everybody, and they fail to understand that we are living in the world of social media, technology, and whatever the truth is, it comes in front of everyone. So इन्होंने जो 28 seconds का वीडियो एडिट कर डाला है, 1 minute 48 seconds का नहीं डाला है कि जहां पे स्टोन पेल्टिंग हो रही और बिना गन फायर के केवल गन दिखा के अगर डराया जा रहा था कि स्टोन पेल्टिंग मत करिए. कहाँ लिखा है कि स्टोन पेल्टिंग करने से आप डेथ नहीं होती है? पुलिस वालों को आप जान से मारने का कोशिश कर रही हैं, आप महिला हैं तो क्या आपको ये अधिकार मिल जाता है? और उसके ऊपर से झूठ का पलीता ये लगाते हैं. अखिलेश यादव, हम तो जानते हैं कि भाई मुसलमान आपके वोट बैंक हैं, वोट जिहाद आप लोग करते हैं, चाहे वो महाराष्ट्र हो चाहे वो उत्तर प्रदेश हो. वी नो इट वेरी वेल. दिस इज द रियलिटी. And because of this vote bank appeasement politics, we know that Mulayam Singh Yadav ji killed innocent car sevak. You know this thing very well. So you keep on doing all the things by which you can please your vote. But the reality is, आपका वोट बैंक अगर पत्थरबाजी करेगा तो कानून अपना काम करेगा. जवाब इनको देना पड़ेगा. जवाब इनको देना पड़ेगा कि करहल में क्या हुआ भाई. एक दलित युवती का क्या करते हैं?
Anila, I will just stop you here because what I have been told by a team which is tracking that story is that there is still lot of ambiguity over that entire story. So I'm not talking about what's happened in Karhal. We let the police finish their investigation and then speak about this. But this one video, Rashmi, is raising a lot more questions. And like I said, even to Anila, that what is the business of the cops also to show you a bandook and kind of threaten voters? Because clearly the voter can feel threatened, we must give them that benefit of doubt. But the problem is also with netas like Akhilesh Yadav who only want to see the bandook and not want you to see the patthar.
Absolutely, Deepthi. I think it was very irresponsible of Akhilesh to, present a doctored video. I think politicians across the board, be it Samajwadi Party or the BJP, have to act more responsibly because they are very important influencers of our society. Whatever they say can start a riot, can take lives, and can, create so much violence on the streets, unimaginable violence. So this responsibility needs to be taken very seriously. The lives of the people are not are not mere numbers which can be manipulated just so that you can get a few votes based on the emotions of the people. I think that is something that, the Samajwadi Party, the leader of the Samajwadi Party needs to really understand. And it was very irresponsible of him to put out a doctored video. I think it was his primary responsibility to put out the full video. When it comes to the larger Uttar Pradesh, elections, the by-elections which recently happened, I think there's a lot of ambiguity for sure. There is the death of a very young girl, Durga, which happened. And that also raises questions as to what is happening in Mainpuri. Why? And her father claims that it is because she refused to vote for the Samajwadi Party.
I had to interrupt Anila. On that same story, there is no clarity. So I do not want to speak on an issue that we are not, clear about right now. But Ram Gopal Yadav, Pooja ji says कि कल उत्तर प्रदेश में संपन्न हुए उपचुनाव समाजवादी पार्टी संबंधित क्षेत्रों के जिला अधिकारियों और पुलिस अधिकारियों के बीच थे, न कि सपा और बीजेपी के बीच. So you're making this the cops versus the people, no? Why do you want this animosity to come in, Pooja? And उसके बाद देखिए क्या कहते हैं कि मीरापुर कुंदर की सीमाओं में पुलिस मुस्लिम मतदाताओं को बंदूक की नोक पर मत डालने से रोका गया. ये चुनाव रद्द हो और दोबारा चुनाव अर्धसैनिक बलों की देखरेख में होना चाहिए. तो ये कैंसल कल्चर, डेमोक्रेसी इन डेंजर इज ऑलरेडी बैक, पूजा. तो आप इतना डर गए हैं अभी. ये तो सिर्फ 9 सीटों पे चुनाव था. आप तो कहते थे कि बाबा को निकाल देंगे उत्तर प्रदेश से. देखिए, एंड व्हाट हैपेंड टू ऑल दैट कॉन्फिडेंस?
आई थिंक दीप्ति जी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश जो है डरे हुए हैं. अदरवाइज ही वुडंट हैव यूज्ड कॉप्स टू कंट्रोल द पीपल, टू स्टॉप द पीपल फ्रॉम वोटिंग. आपने भी शायद मुझे लगता है रिपोर्ट किया होगा. अगर नहीं रिपोर्ट किया होगा तो यू कुड गो थ्रू द अदर चैनल्स वेयर द रिपोर्टर्स वेयर रिपोर्टर्स के साथ में पुलिस मिसबिहेव कर रही थी. रिपोर्टर्स वेयर टेकिंग द वोटर्स कि चलिए हम आपको वोट डला करके आते हैं, कौन आपको मना कर रहा है. ऐसे वीडियोस आए हैं. और अगर ये सत्य नहीं होते तो कार्रवाई भी नहीं होती. इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है इसलिए तो कार्रवाई नहीं कर दिया क्योंकि समाजवादी पार्टी ने जो है कह दिया. समाजवादी पार्टी के कहने से कार्रवाई नहीं होती. अगर मैं फिर कहूंगी, अगर बीजेपी को लगता है कि समाजवादी व्हाट एवर द समाजवादी पार्टी इज स्टेटिंग इज रॉन्ग, बीजेपी कैन आल्सो गो टू द इलेक्शन कमीशन. दे कुड आल्सो हैव सेड दैट समाजवादी पार्टी इज पुटिंग दिस वीडियो, समाजवादी पार्टी इज कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट दैट बूथ, समाजवादी पार्टी इज कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट दिस कमिश्नर, समाजवादी पार्टी इज कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट दैट.
Pooja, what about this video? देखिए क्या होता है कि whatever you say once on the social media, people can keep a screenshot of that, and that is actually a message that is relayed to everyone. आप लोग बार बार आकर अखिलेश यादव मुसलमान मतदाता, राम गोपाल जी बोलते हैं मुसलमान मतदाता. तो आपके पीडीए में तो और भी बहुत लोग हैं ना, उनका क्या होगा? आप सिर्फ मुसलमान हर टाइम करते रहते हैं. पूजा, क्या सिर्फ मुसलमान वोट ही चाहिए आपको?
Dipti ji, we are talking about everyone, but the thing is that the cops were busy in harassing the Muslims only. आप जितना भी वीडियो उठा करके आप देखोगे तो आप ये देखोगे कि जहाँ पे भी हरेसमेंट देखा गया हुआ है, where the women's में आईडी चेक किए जा रहे थे पुलिस के द्वारा, बैरिकेडिंग लगा करके
आईडी चेक करना, आईडी चेक करने को आप हैरेसमेंट बोलेंगे. मैं चाहती हूँ अनिला इसका जवाब दे. You've made a direct charge. It's a serious charge.
They were threatened.
Yes, Anila, how would you want to respond to what the SP is saying?
Yeah, I just have to say one, that it is a known fact that the height of appeasement of their vote bank, that is Muslim vote bank, they can do anything. And they can say any lie. They are expert in that. Like we have seen in 2013, Muzaffarnagar riot, how their cabinet minister, Mr. Azam Khan, he was instructing police that do not take any action against the Muslims. You have to take action against the Hindus only. So this Hindu-Muslim divide is very, very clear in Samajwadi Party. And Mr. Yadav, he comes in front, he tells blatant lies and he ridicules Hindu, I will say so. Like he can show the videos of the Muslims, he will not show the videos of Hindus. That's how gleefully they are going out to vote, and they're exercising their right to vote. And similarly, also even Muslims were doing so. So in Lok Sabha elections, when they get votes, at that time they do not have any complaint. And one stray video they make, then they edit it, and then they put it on the social media. And try to say, देखो देखो क्या हो रहा है, मुसलमानों के साथ क्या गद्दारी हो रही है, उनको वोट नहीं डालने दे रहे, अरे महिलाओं के साथ क्या हो रहा है. पत्थरबाजी नहीं दिखाओगे क्या? और ये बता दो कि ये पत्थर आकाश से आते हैं इनके घर में, पेट्रोल पंप आकाश से आते हैं इनके घर में, तैयारी रहती है।
Before I get Nikul and Rashmi back into the conversation.
Complaint to the election commission.
हाँ.
Complaint. I'm saying regularly. I'm saying continuously. BJP should go to the election commission.
नहीं तो आप चाहती हैं DSP saying कि इस चुनाव को रद्द किया जाए? क्या एसपी अभी आधिकारिक मांग करने वाली इलेक्शन कमीशन को कि इस चुनाव को रद्द किया जाए?
वो हमारे शीर्ष नेतृत्व बैठ करके डिसीजन लेंगे।
देखिए रामगोपाल यादव जी का मैंने अभी ट्वीट पढ़ा ना पूजा, वो आधिकारिक है या नहीं है?
आई थिंक आधिकारिक है कि नहीं है वो हमारे पार्टी के जो है महासचिव हैं डेफिनेटली, बट पार्टी अगर उस पर जाना होगा तो वो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष
नहीं, तो या तो देखिए या तो वो जो ट्वीट करते हैं वो जानबूझकर किया जा रहा है। अगर आप कहती है कि वो पार्टी की लाइन नहीं है तो आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज नो निकुल। Would you want, though, this time the Congress, after whatever happened, decided not to, field their own candidates. You decided to support the SP. क्योंकि उस पे भी कांग्रेस को after, you lost Haryana, you lost Jammu and Kashmir. So the SP also told you, यार, कि आपकी यही position है. We can't give you more seats. But, Nikul, somewhere here it's also about principles, no? You will use fake news, you will use propaganda, only and only appealing to one community in the minority. Is that fair, Nikul? And now saying cancel kar dijiye election.
Firstly, I would say that whether to file a candidate or not, it's our own internal matter, and that is our own strategy that you cannot challenge. First thing. Secondly, if you are supporting Samajwadi Party, that is outright support by the Congress to the Samajwadi Party. Secondly, if you feel that some fake videos or doctrine means some propaganda is there, then anybody is free in the country to file a case as per IT Act, and Election Commission would take into the cause of it and look into it. Now, second part, if we feel that something is not as per the rules of the Election Commission, then we have due right. Any candidate can file a complaint against the Election Commission.
How are you okay with Akhilesh Yadav posting a few seconds of a longer video that shows you something else, no, Nikul?
Everything is fine.
Is the Congress okay with this? Rahul Gandhi believes कि ऐसे ही संविधान बचाएंगे आप लोग?
संविधान बचाना is what we are telling is what you want to compare here. I would say Samvidhan Batana means as per rule, everything must happen, whether it is election, whether it is people's right, whether it is job, whether it is constitutional policy making, everything we are feeling that right now we are working to save the constitution. That is what Rahul Gandhi is everywhere saying. You cannot compare that.
I don't understand. No, some days you will say, some days you say democracy is working fine.
Won't you feel that? Won't you feel that?
No, some days you will say democracy is in danger. Anila, quickly before Rashmi comes in. Anila.
I just need to say one thing. जब संविधान बचाओ ये लोग बात करते हैं कि मोहब्बत की दुकानें तो बंद हो गई हैं. And nobody purchased good and stuff that दुकान. वो दुकान तो बंद हो. क्या भी संविधान बचाओ, संविधान बचाओ. संविधान क्या पत्थरबाजी करने से बचेगा? हाँ, भोले भाले लोगों का कत्ल करने से बचेगा? आप लोग कौन से संविधान की बात करते हैं? उसी संविधान की बात करते हैं आप लोग जिसका बारंबार आप लोगों ने गला घोटा है.
Okay.
And you think that the voters of our country, they are
okay, we have hours. We have just hours to go, Rashmi, before the results are out for Maharashtra, for Jharkhand, for these by-polls. Rashmi, what does your sense say? Just the last 5 seconds.
Well, Deepthi, I believe that the India Alliance always calls out a conspiracy every time they know they're going to lose. Okay. So they say that EVM is hacked, they say that the election was unfair, and then the EVM is just fine when they win. So I think, they dig up a controversy every time and they know they're going to lose. And I think this is just another thing and people need to be cautious.
All right, Nikul and all ladies, for the moment, thank you so much. We'll find out whether, there were reasons for Akhilesh Yadav to be so spooked and put out this edited video. On the other side also, we'll continue to track that, and thanking all of you for joining us.